Hey guys, it's me, your bear Huffy, back here again. And today I'm just doing a little tutorial for any of my VTuber friends that are interested in H265 encoding. Um, Little background info, most streamers or VTubers rather stream using H264. It's the tried and true. It's also the only one Twitch accepts, for now at least, as of recording of this video. Um, H264 is a much older encoder that's being used. It's been around for a while. It's super stable. It just works. What it is what you get. That being said, we have newer options on the table now with H265 or HEVC, high efficiency video codec, or AV1. AV1 being the open source, and I think it's the most, or it's gonna be the most supported one nowadays because it has a lot of big backers behind it. Anyway, back to H264. That one, it can't take a whole lot of, well, you need a lot of bit rate to get a quality thing out of it. H265 and AV1, you need about half the bit rate to get the same quality, if not better, with it. So say you have a 1080p stream, uh, you have it at 1080p and you're streaming at 7,000 kilobits per second, which is roughly the limit for bitrate on Twitch at 60 FPS. You got 7,000 there. You could achieve that with about half of that, 3,500 kilobits per second, if you were encoding using H265 or AV1. This video is really going to showcase H265 more so than AV1. I'll do AV1 again in a follow-up video once I get access to a 4000 series graphics card. But yeah, this is all really limited to what GPU you have. If you're running integrated graphics and that's what you're streaming with, I don't think you'll be able to do this. But at the very least, if you have a NVIDIA 1050, that was the lowest 1000 series card that supports H265. I'm not sure what it is for AMD. Or if you have an Intel Arc. Arc supports AV1 as well, but they also do HEVC. If you have those GPUs, you should be good to go to try this out. Right now, I believe YouTube is the only one that supports doing these streams with the other encoders aside from H264. But if you're interested in trying it out and your bit rate's really limiting you on Twitch, or if you're a YouTube only VTuber, hey, this video is for you. So let's go ahead and take a look here.
We cannot stay here. Too cold. Let's climb. Don't think about the pain.
Use your mind. You are a warrior.
You should not have come here, child.
This dark land, it pushes back. She's so far from home, from all she's ever known, half drowned, and lost in a world still clouded to her eyes. But she won't yield. She must fight on, as she always has.
Anyway, that was pretty cool, huh? So as you can see here, the 264 and the 265, both at 7,000 kilobits per second. 264 kind of loses some finer detail on Senwa's clothes compared to the 265 stream. Now, keep in mind, like any stream in general is gonna be losing quality. It won't look as exactly as good as it will be as what's on your monitor from when you're streaming. But these are little setbacks or drawbacks that we can accept because it's the stream, right? With the 265, it's not as big of a drawback as 264 is, especially at the same bit rate. So what this means is, for our purposes at least, if you want to keep streaming at the same quality as you already are, you can half your bit rate if you switch over to HEVC, H265, whichever you want to call it. All right, for the actual tutorial part of this whole thing. So if you're on YouTube, which you should be because the other streaming sites don't support H265, you're going to go ahead and go to your live studio dashboard. You're going to go to manage. You're going to go to schedule stream. And here is the thing. You need to go to create new. We'll call this HEVC or whatever, right? Because for our purposes, that's what we need. Go to next, whatever. I don't want my viewers to see this, so we're going to keep it unlisted and done. All right, we're here now. So now, if you notice, we have RMTP variable as our default stream key. We don't want that for HEVC because RTMP does not support AV1 or HEVC. It only supports H264. So we're going to go ahead and, nope, not that. We're going to go here. We're going to go to create new stream key. We're going to swap the protocol from RTMP to HLS. And we'll call this our HLS stream key. You can do like manual settings and all that, but YouTube automatically detects stuff as it says here. So you can keep it easy and just leave that unchecked and go to create. All right, so now we have our HLS stream key. So we'll copy that here, copy, but we're not done yet because we need to go to OBS. So we're here now in OBS, right? We're going to go to our settings. I'm going to go to stream. And here is where it can get kind of confusing. You're going to go to service. You're going to go to show all. These are all the different things that OBS accepts. As you can see, there's a lot. You're going to go scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says YouTube HLS. You're going to go to use stream key. And you're going to copy and paste the stream key that we had in our other session or earlier when we were on YouTube or whatever. Now with that being there, we're going to go ahead and click, well, let's make sure we're on H265 first. If you have different sets for your OBS, you might have these options. FFmpeg. To keep it simple, we're just going to do the base hardware encoder, NVENC HEVC. We'll do right now I'm at a 1440p display, so we're going to go ahead and make this 5000 so it's not a blurry mess. 2500 won't really save it, I don't think. Slow, good quality, apply, okay. And yeah, let's go ahead and start streaming. And we're going to wait for it to connect to YouTube. This normally takes a bit because YouTube has a higher latency and stuff like that. All right, we're going to go live. And we're live. Okay, if we want to see what this looks like here. And here's the recommended bit rates for YouTube too. Liveception. Liveception. There we go. So those are the steps, guys. It's super easy. It can be intimidating, I guess, but it's not as hard as it looks. It's pretty simple to do. As you can see here, yep, we're at 1440 and it looks fine. Let me go ahead and swap over here. Well, I should probably end the stream too. Anyway, guys, this is it for our tutorial video. I'm going to do another one once I get my 4000 series card. I actually bought one fairly recently. It should be coming in the mail in the next week or so. When that comes, I'll do another tutorial for AV1 encoding. Anyway, guys, this is your bear Huffy, and I did this for my little VTuber buddies who were interested in doing this. And I'll catch you later. Take care, guys. Huffy Bear out.